Hello, this is Chris of Pioneer Equipment. Today we have a Vio 35. We are demonstrating all the grease points and lube points on this machine. Everything should be checked and should be greased once a day. Alright, we're going to show you some of the grease points on this machine. These grease points should be greased once a day. Basically your whole entire boom should be greased. Start it. There's grease points here, here, 3 here. Get this thumb. There's 2 here. Get everywhere you see a grease fitting on the boom, bucket, or anything should be greased at least once a day. Position you can usually get to almost anything you can on the boom on this machine. There's one up here. Okay, grease point here, and again, these is everyday greasing. Okay, I can reach this, but some people may not. Here, there's one down here, one here, and you got your blade. They're in the sides, 2 in the back, and your cylinder. Right here is one, and then okay, we use a red lithium grease. Most people call it like red and tacky or whatever. The other lube points and stuff you can check while you're checking your daily check. You got your fuel. Okay, you can see it on the side here normally when it's full, and your hydraulic oil right here. It's got a little ball that floats in there. They use recommend 46. And then you come around the back in the engine compartment. Show you how to open that. All you gotta do is open this. If it's locked, use the Yanmar key. Okay. All right, you'll check your water reservoir. If this is low, all the way empty or whatever, check your radiator before you start the machine. Check oil. Oil's down here. Pull the dipstick out. Make sure it's in between the cross hatches. This right here is on the full. It's brand new oil, brand new machine. Check your water separator. There's a disc down here. If it's down the bottom, you're good. If it's starting to float, it means you got water in here. Drain your water separator. Okay, well, this about sums it up for the lube points and greasing points on the Vio 35. I hope this was helpful. Hope to see this thing in the field. Have a good one.